Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Canvas. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you the fabrics which I'm going to be using for my next gorgeous bags. So yeah, this is a vinyl fabric and it is a blue color, also called synthetic. It's a cute fabric and also affordable. So I'm going to be using this to make my next bag. Now this is a white yeah, this is a white fabric. Yeah, this is a white fabric. I'm going to be mixing all these colors. I'm going to be mixing them together. So please make sure you stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and also click on the notification button for more updates, to watch more of my videos, to get that updates. So you need to click on my notification button. And also guys, I'm going to be making some of this gorgeous fabric. I'm going to be making their bags. I'm going to be making their bags soon, and of course I'm going to be uploading it on my YouTube membership. If you've not joined my YouTube membership, you need to do that right away. So this is actually a pure leather. This is original leather. It is a pure leather which I'm going to be working with. And of course, I'll be dropping the tutorial on my YouTube membership. Yeah, so I'm going to be mixing this gorgeous print. I'm going to be mixing it with a plain fabric, with a solid fabric. So I'm going to be dropping the contact where I got all those fabrics. I'm going to be dropping the contact under the comment section. Please go straight to the description of this video to get the contact of where I buy all my fabrics from. So I'll be dropping the contact there. If you're interested, you can get yours from them. So this is a solid print which I'm going to be using. I'm going to be mixing it with the print, with the original print leather. So basically I'm using both the solid and the print. I'm going to be using original leather to make, they are both original leather, right? So yeah, they are both pure leather, so I'm going to be using it to make the gorgeous bag soon. Yeah, this is a white and black print. This is so gorgeous. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This camera is actually not doing the justice. You need to see it real life. It's a very gorgeous and a beautiful print. And it's a synthetic leather. I got all these fabrics in Nigeria, and they're super gorgeous and beautiful. So like I said, if you need the contact, I'm going to be dropping the contact under the comment section. So please go to the description. Go to the description for the contact, and also go to the comment section, to get the contact. This is another gorgeous print. Oh my god, I love this. This is a very beautiful print. I love it so much. So it's a gorgeous print, and I'm going to be doing a very cute bag with it. Of course, my next pattern, I'm going to be using this particular fabric for my next pattern. So you guys should stay tuned, because I'll be releasing my next pattern soon. Guys, I'll be mixing these two fabrics together. This particular bag was ordered by a client of mine, and she actually ordered, he ordered 2 bags. So yeah, so I'm going to be making 2 bags from this fabric. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you find this video interesting, kindly give us a beautiful like and also a nice comment. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god, look at that white vinyl and the black and white vinyl. You guys can see how beautiful, how gorgeous this fabric looks. Wow. I can't get my eyes off it. And like I can actually wait. I can't wait to have these fabrics, turned to a real bag. Well, I'm going to be sharing the video tutorial with you guys, and also I'm going to be sharing the picture, the final picture of the bag. I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. So please make sure you stay tuned. And like I said, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates. Guys, go watch all my videos for I have a lot of videos on my YouTube, so guys, watch my videos to get to know more about bag making. And also, you can see this gorgeous bag here. This gorgeous fabric, the blue fabric, and also the prints. Very beautiful. So I'm going to be matching everything together. Yeah, I'm going to be matching everything together. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. So please stay tuned for my next video. It's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be mind-blowing, and this is my next pattern. This is the pattern that I'm working on right now. So please guys, the PDF pattern that I'm working on. So please guys, make sure you stay tuned, stay glued, don't go anywhere. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all.